Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to easily track your cashback and special offers using the Tesco Clubcard app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Tesco Clubcard app downloaded on your phone. If you don't you can get it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're in the tab, tap in the Offers or Clubcard tab. Here, you will see personalized details and cashback opportunities just for you. This can include extra points on specific products, bonus points for spending in certain departments, or even cashback on your next job. To activate an offer, simply tap the Add to Cart button. This will link offer directly to your club card, so you will earn the points or cashback automatically when you buy the item and scan your card at the checkout. After you shop, you earn points and cashback will show up in the points or activity of the app. You can track exactly what you earn from each offer, making it easy to see your savings ASAP. This is a process. Check your app regularly. New offers are added frequently, and some are for a limited time only. And that's it. You're now a pro tracking and maximizing your cashback with the Tesco Clubcard offers. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Clubcard offer has been. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.